Five, four, three, two, one. Crafting with Cos, let's go.
I'm Cos, and welcome back to Crafting with Cos if you're back. So in this project, I'm going to be doing some home decor wall art, and I'm going to be using a technique that I've seen basically mainly being used to create different labels on jars or different canisters. So I printed some images that I Googled, just some designer images, and I'm actually going to be using the clear tape technique to basically transfer the ink off of the printed images onto some Dollar Tree frames that I got. And so I added this cute little gold chain on there, and I like the fact that it looks very modern and it was very easy to make. So we can go over the materials that I used for this project. And thanks so much for watching, and let's go ahead and let's get right started. So here I'm using the tape to actually place on top of the printed image, and you can barely see it because I'm using clear tape, but I'm using just enough to have some left over on the edges. And then I'm using an old debit card to make sure that the tape is smooth against the paper. And just continue to overlap tape on top of the other tape as you continue to go down on the printed image. So I decided not to use the additional hooks and just to use the hooks that came with the Dollar Tree frame.